Hello everyone, good afternoon. I hope you all can hear me and see me. Please write yes in the chat if you can hear me and see me. Thank you for the confirmation. Piyush sir sent your request to join in. Please accept that. Good afternoon, Piyush sir. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Great. You can take a minute to settle down and then we'll start the session.
Yeah, we can start in 2 minutes. Yeah.
Sure, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the afternoon live trading session where we focus around index and stock options. If we have a good opportunity, we'll definitely share the trade, or else we'll focus around stock queries and the intraday and swing trades. We will definitely share a BTST before the end of the session. So feel free to drop your queries. We'll start with the market outlook. How's the indexes are looking for Nifty, Bank Nifty, overall Sensex Nifty, and then we'll start the session. So Piyush sir,
Sure.
over to you.
Yeah. Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. So welcome to the afternoon session today. So now normally we were having a habit of taking a hero zero trade on the expiry session, but now we only have Nifty expiry on Thursday and Sensex on Friday. So only two expiries on the weekly time frame, and then all the rest expiries on the respective monthly days. So yeah, starting from the Nifty, we have seen a sideways momentum right from the start of the trading session, and now we can see profit booking declines. So slow and steady on the 15-minute chart, Nifty is forming low rise, low lows formation, but overall setup is bullish. So if I look at the daily chart, 24,500 is the major level to watch out for. So 24,500 is the support for Nifty. So till the Nifty holds about 24,500, we can expect a pullback move. So overall, as of now, on the immediate basis, 24,500 is the support. Yeah, so 24,500 is the support for Nifty. Nifty has given an inside bar breakdown. So on the daily chart, it formed an inside bar candle, and today it is holding below the same. But overall, on the weekly time frame, we are having a bullish setup. Weekly, monthly, all the time frames, Nifty is having a bullish setup. So yes, our view is till the time it is holding about 24,500, wherein 50-day moving average is also there. So till the time it is holding above 24,500, we are having a bullish view towards 24,800 and then 25,000 zones. So yes, Nifty is having a bullish view as of now. Immediate support is 24,500, and if you take 2 to 3 days perspective, so support is placed at 24,300 levels. Talking about the Bank Nifty now. So today, right from the initial ticks, we have seen a sideways momentum. Bank Nifty is also consolidating. It is forming a narrow range on the inside on the daily chart. So yes, setup is sideways right from the initial ticks, and momentum will be there above 53,888. So level to watch out for Bank Nifty is 53,888, above which we can see nice up move, and it is trading only 2% below from the all-time highs of 54,467. So yes, overall strength is visible in the Bank Nifty space, and today we are just witnessing a sideways momentum, but overall setup is bullish. So yes, Nifty, Bank Nifty bullish view on the both. Key level to watch out for is 24,500 in the Nifty. Bank Nifty में 53,888 उसके ऊपर नया अप आना चाहिए. So now we have given quite a few trades today right from the morning. So we have given one trade on Kalyan Jewelers, so you can pin that away. So Kalyan Jewelers we have given for velocity so for 20% up move. So we have given in the afternoon. Kalyan Jewelers is looking good for 20% up move. I'll share the level. So it has given a consolidation breakout on the weekly chart. Overall setup is bullish. So I'll tell the levels of Kalyan Jewelers. So yes, we have given it around 757. Stop loss will be 680. So we have given Kalyan Jewelers around 767 levels with the stop loss of 680 and target towards 910. So you can pin that. We have given Kalyan Jewelers today for 20% upside. Yeah. So it has given a range breakout on the weekly chart. Overall setup is bullish. So buying is visible across the jewels theme today. You can see the daily chart also. It has given a range breakout on the daily chart. So current market price is 767, and we have given it for the upside target towards 911. So Kalyan Jewelers is looking good for Your noise, you're on mute.
Sir, can you please repeat? We couldn't hear you.
You're telling me?
Yes, sir. आपकी आवाज actually crack हो रही थी. You were not audible. If you can repeat, that will be great.
Okay, so we have given a velocity idea. So velocity is basically for 1 to 3 months. Like we have CDI ideas for 1 week. Velocity idea is for 1 to 3 months, wherein we give the trade on the basis of technicals and fundamentals both. So techno funda trade will be there. So fundamental also we are having some positive insights on the Kalyan Jewelers, and technically it has given a range breakout on the weekly chart. So that is why we have given this trade for 1 to 3 months. Yeah. So Kalyan Jewelers is looking good for 20% upside from the current market price, and that trade will be for 1 to 3 months. So velocity idea is for 1 to 3 months. CDI is for 1 week, and intraday is for the same day, and overnight is for buy today and sell tomorrow. So these are all the varieties of sections on which we give trade. And we have given one more trade. So overnight BTST trade we have given. You can pin that on the PCBL. So right now the current market price is 481. So the stock is forming higher top, higher bottom formation. Overall setup is bullish. So current market price is 481. So one can buy with a stop loss of 470 and for the upside target towards 500. So we have given PCBL for overnight buy today, sell tomorrow. So PCBL is the trade. Stop loss is 470 and target is 500. So you can pin that as well, Anuj.
Yes, sir.
PCBL for overnight trade. Now we can take some stock queries as well.
Sir, Vedanta, tell me what should be the target.
Vedanta, it has given a breakout yesterday. Now it is hovering in a range, but overall setup is bullish. So Vedanta, the target will be 520 on the upside. Technically, setup is bullish. So definitely hold it for 520, then 540 levels.
Sir, review on Union Bank.
Union Bank, slow and steady setup is bullish. It is forming higher highs, higher lows formation. So technically setup is bullish, slow and steady. It can test 140 levels on the upside. So yes, looking good for 140 levels.
So target for
Which stock?
Angel One.
So we have seen a buying across this space right from the last 3-4 trading sessions. So all the exchange related themes are looking good, namely Angel One, MCX, BSE. So we have seen CDSL. So nice action is visible across all the space from last 4 days. Angel One technically setup is good. So it can test the previous lifetime highs of 3,900 levels. So yes, technically setup is bullish. Volumes are supportive. So entire exchange related theme, exchange and depository theme is in action. So yes, it looks good for 3,900 levels.
Sir, view on NBCC.
So NBCC right now it is trading near 102. Wait for some more time because we have seen hurdles on the upside. So on the upside, hurdles are intact near to 109 levels. So yes, buy only above 109. So as of now, it can face some hurdle near 109. Buy only above 109 levels.
So VRPL.
Yeah, so the stock has given a range breakout today. So Vishnu Prakash Pumalia, VPRPL. Technically, setup is bullish. Volumes are supportive. We can see the volume. So a surge in volumes is visible along with a nice price action. So yes, it is all set to test 350, 370 levels. So technically, very strong setup and it is looking good for 370 odd levels.
Sir, we on Kipla for 1 week.
Cipla as of now setup is weak. Multiple hurdles are visible on the upside near 1550 levels. So right now setup is weak and definitely don't buy at current market price. Wait for some more time. Buy near 1440 levels wherein your risk reward will be favorable. So supports are placed at 1440. As of now, setup is not that great, so avoid.
Sir, Axis Bank.
Axis Bank, wait for now. Buy only about 1200. So about 1200, we can see nice up to. As of now, setup is not that great. So buy only about 1200 levels.
Sir, bail view for 1 month.
Overall setup is good. So it can test 325, 330 levels on the upside. So right now it is in a range from the last 4 trading sessions, but technically setup is bullish and one can hold for 330 odd levels.
Sir, your view on fiber web.
So fiber web, it is retesting the breakout. So supports are placed at 56. Overall setup is bullish. So one can buy near 56, wherein your risk reward and entry will be good. So buy near 56 levels and setup is good. It is just retesting the breakout on the daily chart. So overall price setup.
Sir, we on Indian Hotel.
We have seen nice action across the hotel space today. So Indian hotels technically setup is bullish. So trading at lifetime high territories, clearly outperforming within the hotel space. So technically setup is bullish. Slow and steady, we can expect 880, 900 levels. So yes, setup बहुत ही अच्छा है और 880, 900 के लिए इसको होल्ड रखना चाहिए.
Sir, your view on BSE.
As I told you, exchange theme is in action from last 3 trading sessions. So we have seen nice action around BSE, CDSL, MCX, all the stocks, Angel One. So all the stocks have rallied by almost 15 to 20% in the last 4 trading sessions. With the surge in volumes, noticeable volumes are visible. So yes, BSE is trading near the lifetime high territories. And from current market price, we can expect 5,800, 6,000 levels in the BSE. So technically setup is bullish. But wait for some dip because already stock has rallied by almost 20% in the last 3 trading sessions. So a small dip cannot be ruled out. Buy near 5,200 levels. So that will be the comfortable entry price. So buy near 5,200 and slow and steady it can test 5,800 and then 6,000 levels.
Sir, your view on IRFC.
Rail PSU stocks are. One second. IRFC. Yeah, so IRFC looks good above 161. So wait for it. Surpass and hold above 161. Above 161, it can test 170, then 172 levels. So buy above 161 levels.
Sir, Motilal Oswal ka 1 year target.
No view on the stock. So because of the
For the
compliance,
people who are joining in for the first time and asking this question, we work at Motilal Oswal. So because of the compliance and legal guidelines, we can't give our view or comment anything about Motilal Oswal.
Right.
Sir, AGOL.
The BSE company, better to avoid such stocks because volumes are less and technically setup is not that great. Buy technically any levels per se. 11 is the supply band, so buy above 11 levels.
Sir, SBI.
SBI support at 840, so one can buy with the support of 840. Overall setup is bullish.
Sir, do we have any index trade? Like, are we tracking on or in stock option trade?
So right from the initial take, we can see Nifty is hovering in a narrow range. So I will take the 15-minute chart. So you can see एक range में trade कर रहा है right from the morning levels. As of now, premiums भी बहुत जैसे first week था ये weekly expiry का, बाकी सब जो expiry वो monthly हो गया. So it will take I think 1 month for people to digest कि कैसे new expiries work होती है. Normally बैंक निफ्टी का expiry every week था, so वहाँ पे 100 से 150 रुपए का premium work करता था. But right now at the money के premium 300 रुपए है. So जैसे 2 से 4 week people will take some time to understand कैसे premiums work हो रहे हैं और accordingly इसमें mature होएगा market. So ये levels पे right now कोई trade नहीं है निफ्टी साइड पे, but slow and steady जैसे और 2000 एक्सपायरी जाती है तो प्रीमियम का जो नॉलेज है वो और अच्छा बेटर होएगा. जैसे आपने लास्ट वीक देखा था निफ्टी में बहुत वाइड स्विंग था 400-500 पॉइंट्स का, राइट. सो स्लो एंड स्टडी 2-4 वीक्स में ये मैच्योर हो जाएगा और बाद में होपफुली वी कैन गेट सम नाइस ट्रेड्स.
Sir, BSE at 4796, hold या sell?
Hold.
Sir, your view on GAIL?
गेल ये लेवल पे इतना कंफर्ट नहीं है. 218 के ऊपर बाय करना चाहिए. सो एज ऑफ नाउ ऊपर बड़े हर्डल है, 218 के ऊपर ही बाय करना चाहिए.
Sir, Zomato
लाइफ टाइम हाई के आसपास है. आज स्टॉक 3% नीचे है, बट स्लो एंड स्टडी 350 के लिए रेडी हो रहा है. सो टेक्निकली वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग सेटअप और इसको होल्ड रखना चाहिए 325 और देन 350 के लेवल्स के लिए.
Sir, Suzlon?
सुजलॉन थोड़ा सा फॉलो अप और चाहिए. सो अबाउट 70 के ऊपर इसमें अच्छा एक्शन रहेगा, बट ओवरऑल ट्रेंड बुलिश है, होल्ड रखना चाहिए.
Sir, NTPC Green?
न्यूली लिस्टेड स्टॉक है. ओवरऑल जैसे जब से लिस्ट हुआ है सेटअप बहुत ही बुलिश है, होल्ड रखना चाहिए इसको. सो एनटीपीसी ग्रीन ओवरऑल सेटअप इज बुलिश and we can expect 170-180 levels on the upside. So yes, definitely a hold, and support is placed at 130 levels.
Sir, Electra?
Electra buy only about 1630. So 1630 is the hurdle for the stock. Buy only if it surpasses and hold about 1630 levels.
Sir, we on Newgen bought at 1335.
So Newgen, it has given a range breakout on the daily chart, very clean setup technically, and we can see the flag formation also on the daily scale, which is indicated by the up move and then a sideways consolidation, and then again a uptrend, prior uptrend resuming again. So yes, technically setup is bullish and it can test 2600, 2800 levels. So technically very strong setup. One can definitely hold for an upside target towards 2600, then 2800 levels. Okay, so someone wrote it's new gen, right? 1 second.
Yeah.
So even both the neo gen or new gen, both the stocks are very strong technically. Even new gen has given a technically trend line breakout on the daily chart and setup is very bullish, continuously forming high rise from last 6 trading sessions. Slow and steady, we can expect 1700 levels on the upside. So yes, technically very strong and one can hold with the support of 1320. So both the stocks are looking good, neo gen and new gen both.
So Tata Power?
Tata Power setup is not that great, so wait for it to surpass 460. Above 460, we can expect some nice up move.
Tata Motors?
Tata Motors is in a downtrend, continuously forming lower top, lower bottom on the weekly chart, even daily scale. So very weak setup, and any bounce can be sold. So any bounce towards 830, 840 will be a selling opportunity, and technically very weak setup.
Sir, New Year is coming. Which sector we should focus on?
So for the New Year, hotel theme is looking good. Gems and jewelry theme is looking good, and we are continuously recommending this exchange theme from the last 2 weeks. So for New Year, I think United Spirit can be watched out for. Even Indian hotels looks good. From gems and jewelry theme, we have given Kalyan Jewellers, right, for 20% upside. So Kalyan Jewellers, Indian Hotels, UBL, United Spirits, this all stocks can be on radar.
Sir, Bikaji.
Bullish setup one can hold and slow and steady. It can test 880, 900 levels. And yes, for New Year theme, we can also focus on Zomato, Swiggy. So all these stocks will be in limelight, right? So one can also focus on Zomato, Swiggy for New Year theme.
Sir, your view overall on pharma sector?
If I look at the Nifty Pharma chart, overall setup is bullish. Right now, it is consolidating from last 2 to 3 weeks, but technically setup is bullish. If I see and watch out the prior trend, the technical setup is bullish. So yes, pharma stocks are looking good and overall setup is bullish. So pharma में सबसे अच्छा strength अगर कोई pharma stocks में है, so that is छोटे small cap space में देखेंगे pharma में तो PPL Pharma is very good. Divis Lab overall setup is good. So PPL Pharma, Divis Lab ये सब stocks पे focus कर सकते हैं within the pharma space.
Sir, thoughts on Chennai Petroleum?
स्टॉक इज इन डाउन ट्रेंड, ओवरऑल डाउन ट्रेंड इज देयर, सो अवॉइड करना चाहिए लेवल्स पे भी. ओवरऑल डाउन ट्रेंड में स्टॉक थोड़ा भी बाउंस है, वो टिक नहीं पा रहा है और ओवरऑल ट्रेंड जो है वो नेगेटिव है स्टॉक का. सो यस, वीक सेटअप है, स्लो एंड स्टडी, और ये 570 के आसपास आ जाना चाहिए. सो टेक्निकली वीक सेटअप.
Sir, Irida.
Irida is on the verge of breakout. So technically 238 के ऊपर breakout है. So 238 का levels ध्यान में रखना चाहिए. 238 we can see up move towards 260 level. So yes, about 238 we can see some momentum in the stock.
Sir, IOB. Like we have a lot of questions around the banking sector. If अगर आप एक overall भी cover करते, that will be great.
Overall अगर मैं banking की बात करूँ, so there are two components, private banks and PSU space. So talking about the PSU space, जिसमें IOB, Bank of Maharashtra, सब छोटे PSU है जो एक्शन में थे आफ्टर द CRR जो कट किया था अभी लास्ट पॉलिसी में RBI ने. So yes, छोटे PSU एक्शंस में अच्छा एक्शन था PSU स्पेस में. So technically Nifty PSU Bank has given a range breakout on the daily chart. और स्लो एंड स्टडी ऐसा लगता है कि 7500 के लिए इट इज गेटिंग रेडी. करंट मार्केट प्राइस इज 7100. सो PSU स्पेस इज लुकिंग गुड. विद इन दैट वन कैन वॉच आउट फॉर SBI एंड कैन बैंक, बड़े प्लेयर्स में, और छोटे PSUs में IOB और बैंक ऑफ इंडिया अच्छे लग रहे हैं. अगर निफ्टी प्राइवेट बैंक की बात करें तो इवन प्राइवेट बैंक हैज गिवन अ ब्रेकआउट. सो विद इन दैट HDFC एंड ICICI बैंक आर टॉप प्लेयर्स. सो निफ्टी PSU एंड प्राइवेट बैंक दोनों अच्छा लग रहा है टेक्निकली. एंड जो स्टॉक्स बताए डेफिनेटली फॉर प्राइवेट बैंक ICICI एंड HDFC बैंक सबसे अच्छा है. PSU स्पेस में SBI, बैंक ऑफ इंडिया और IOB. सो ये सब स्टॉक्स में फोकस कर सकते हैं. बोथ द स्पेस, प्राइवेट बैंक्स एंड PSU बैंक्स, दोनों में एज ऑफ नाउ टेक्निकली सेटअप बुलिश है.
सर, SBI कार्ड्स.
नॉट दैट ग्रेट सेटअप. सो 750 के ऊपर ही कंफर्ट आएगा एज ऑफ नाउ. ये लेवल पे अग्रेसिव बाय नहीं करना चाहिए. 750 के ऊपर बाय करें.
So persistent systems.
ओवरऑल ट्रेंड इस पे बुलिश है. लाइफ टाइम हाई के आसपास ट्रेड कर रहा है. स्लो एंड स्टडी बहुत ही अच्छा आउटperformance दिखा है. KPIT persistent IT स्पेस में अच्छा एक्शन है. इवन टेकएम इज होल्डिंग गेन्स. सो यस, निफ्टी IT स्पेस भी बहुत स्ट्रांग है. एंड यस, persistent स्लो एंड स्टडी 6600 के लिए रेडी हो रहा है. सो टेक्निकली वेरी स्ट्रांग सेटअप. सो निफ्टी IT पूरे पैक में अच्छा एक्शन है और IT स्टॉक्स को भी होल्ड रखना चाहिए फॉर कमिंग डेज.
Sir, Indian Oil.
इंडियन ऑयल उतना कंफर्ट नहीं है सेटअप वाइज. अगर बात करें तो 147 बड़ा हर्डल है, उसके ऊपर ही ऐड करना चाहिए. सो इंडियन ऑयल मल्टीपल हर्डल्स आर विजिबल नियर 147 लेवल्स.
Sir, Aditya Birla Capital.
आदित्य बिरला कैपिटल वीक सेटअप, स्लो एंड स्टडी, ये 180 के आसपास आ जाना चाहिए. सो टेक्निकली वीक सेटअप है और मल्टीपल हडल्स है 200 के आसपास. सो ये लेवल पे इग्नोर करना चाहिए. 200 के ऊपर अगर क्लोजिंग देता है तो इसको बाय करना चाहिए.
सर ICICI
बैंक टेक्निकली बुलिश सेटअप, जैसे मैंने आपको पहले बताया, प्राइवेट बैंक में आईसीआईसी बैंक और एचडीएफसी बैंक का लीडिंग फ्रॉम द फ्रंट. सो थोड़ा और वेट करना चाहिए. रिटेस्ट ऑफ ब्रेकआउट के आसपास 1300 के आसपास आईसीआईसी बैंक बाय करना चाहिए. बहुत ही अच्छा सेटअप है ओवरऑल.
सर VPL bought at 649. View for next 2 weeks.
या सो वरुण बेवरेज स्लो एंड स्टडी रेंज ब्रेकआउट की तरफ जा रहा है. थोड़ा क्लोजिंग चाहिए अबाउट 645 के ऊपर. स्टॉक हैज पोटेंशियल टू टेस्ट 660 एंड देन 680 लेवल्स. सो यस, ओवरऑल सेटअप अच्छा है. स्लो एंड स्टडी स्टॉक इज ऑन द वर्ज ऑफ गिविंग अ ब्रेकआउट. 645 के ऊपर क्लोजिंग आएगा तो 660 680 के लिए रेडी हो रहा है.
And sir, this will be the last query. Hindalco.
हिंडाल्को वेट फॉर इट टू सरपास एंड होल्ड अबाउट 680. 680 के ऊपर ज्यादा अच्छा कंफर्ट है. सो 680 के ऊपर उसको लेना चाहिए.
So guys, that will be all for the first afternoon session of the week. We try to take as many queries as possible. We have shared couple of trades जो आपके screen पे pinned है. Wait for more such sessions to happen to get your queries answered. अगर हम आज cover नहीं कर पाए. Thank you Piyush sir for doing this rapid fire Q&A round. It's always fun to have you for the Q&A. Thank you everyone.